Before we begin this tight episode, we have a word from one of our sponsors.
This year, for our passion project, we are connecting history to recent times by cooking and selling popular local street foods from old Hong Kong.
We're going to sell these on March 1st from 1 to 1:45 p.m. during dismissal at the Grove main entrance.
There, you can buy fish balls, sea wine, and spring rolls.
We're going to sell milk tea too. The proceeds from this event will go to our chosen charity that aim to help the elderly.
We only accept cash, so please make sure to bring some if you're interested in purchasing.
Travel back in time and enjoy old Hong Kong food with us. Hope to see you there.
Okay, and here we go. Now, welcome to the first Choose Your Own Adventure tight episode. Enjoy!
Hi, Miss Greenberg.
Oh, hey, Mr Husain. Tea, right? I ordered it for you because I'm such a coffee drinker and we're proof that coffee and tea drinkers can be friends. What's new with you? Looks like something's bothering you.
Well, I was speaking with a friend of mine, and my friend said that Batman cannot be a superhero. Can you believe that?
Well, your friend maybe has a point there.
What do you mean he has a point? First you drink coffee, and now you say Batman is not a superhero.
Oh, oops. Well, I really like Batman, especially his car, but superheroes actually need superpowers. I mean, we don't call police officers superheroes. Okay. Well, I have a decision to make here. I can see he's really upset. Should I just agree with him to make him feel better, or should I actually tell him what I really think? I don't know. What do you think? Decisions. It's really tough. In fact, that's a big part of life and a big part of being self-determined. A big part of my job is about making decisions. Super tough. You know, first you start with something super basic, like, should I brush my teeth or should I not brush my teeth? Let's see what happens. Starting with a really wonderful announcement from our art team about an opportunity for you to extend yourself and make a choice about what you want to do about your own art. Here we go.
Hi, Miss Vicky.
Hi, Miss Lisa.
By the way, have you seen all the dolphins around THS?
Sure, they are peers in different art forms.
Yes. I do have a question. I'm wondering, can we bring our artwork outside to our community?
Sure, why not? Let's bring the dolphin to the community, and I'm going to let you know how we're gonna do that. Yay!
Yay! Let's go!
Let's go!
Woohoo! Let's go!
So if you want to join us to bring the dolphin to the community, let's come doing art club. We are going to start these activities in February, which is next week, and the activity will end in March.
So don't forget to come up to the art club during lunch. And if you do have any questions, please email us. And we're looking forward to see you here. Bye!
Bye!
So, which is your adventure? Submit art or don't submit art? Let's see what happens. Choose yes, you're submitting the art.
Is that an artwork? Yeah. Can I please have your autograph? Sure or not? Thank you. I'm so hungry. Ariel, do you want some cookies? Oh yeah, sure, why not? Oh, it's so good to be famous.
Or no, you're not submitting art.
This is someone's artwork. I think it's Alfie's because Nami's feeding him some cookies. Just another old regular day for me.
And now, one of my favorite weeks of the year is coming up in March, which is Arts Interim. Did you know that choices can already be made from the bulletin that was released last Friday? So again, here's your adventure. Yes, do you submit your Arts Interim choice on time?
Hey Alfie, did you get your first choice in Arts Interim? Yes, I signed myself early. Me too. Yay!
Or no, you're super late or you don't even submit it at all.
Mom, we should have read the bulletin sooner. I didn't get my first choice. Mama! Ugh.
So hope you can appreciate that making decisions is really important, starting from small decisions to the bigger life decisions. All right, well, one person made the decision to email me, and that is Zach. And he emailed me and said, "Hi, Mrs. Greenberg, I want to be on the Tide Show." So what he did was he actually submitted and created a whole animal trivia game. Enjoy Zach's animal trivia game.
Konnichiwa, my name is Zach from 5A. Actually, Zach Oliver Pollock, guys. So, today we're gonna do a quiz show for Say What. And what kind of quiz show is it? An animal quiz show. There are about 10 questions, but today I'm only gonna do 3 because I'm gonna save it for other Say What. So, the first question is, what does a male duck-billed platypus use to defend himself or his nest? It's your turn to answer, so good luck. If you said biting, you're wrong. The male has powerful venom, and it's located on their spur on their hind leg. Although it cannot kill you, it can be fatal to dogs and very harmful to humans. So, my advice, steer clear. Unless it's an emergency, then of course you have to save it. Question number 2. What is the longest venomous snake in the whole wide world? It's your turn to answer. Go. No, just because green anacondas are the longest snakes in the world doesn't mean they're venomous. They're just very powerful. Well, the longest venomous snake in the world is, drum roll please, the king cobra. It's about 16 feet long and it's an inhabitant of the deep forest, and its bite is very venomous, so it can potentially kill you. The reason why not many bites occur is because they live in the deep forest. And they can even be found in Thailand, the Philippines, and Hong Kong. So, be careful, folks. Okay, guys, third question for this episode. What is the most extensive or longest animal on Earth? It's your turn to answer. 10 seconds, go! If you said blue whale, you are W-R-O-N-G. Wrong! It's actually the giant siphonophore, or Praedubia. a colony of jelly-like animals. This relative of the jellyfish has strong stinging cells to snare small prey. They live in very, very deep waters, sometimes as deep as 4,000 meters. They are bioluminescent, which means they can glow, and giant siphonophores are literally as thin as your wrist and as long as a blue whale. Blue whales are typically 80 to 110 feet long, but giant siphonophores can be over 164 feet long, and don't touch them or you'll get stung. This has been the first part of the animal quiz show, so I'm looking forward to see you again in the second part. Bye.
Thank you so much, Zach. And here's another person who's been doing an amazing job sending videos, and that is Mr. Silvio, who is sending us an update with black dolphins and also, spoiler, teachers doing sports. Very cool. Enjoy the video.
Good morning, THS. Mr. Silvio here with a sports update. This Friday is our sports day. We cannot wait to have you guys out there for a full day of fun and competition. Now, I wanted to give a shout out to a few of our teachers that ran a half marathon the other weekend. Amazing job. Miss Emily, Miss Agnes, and Miss Cheryl. If they're your teachers or you see them in the hallway, make sure you give them a high five. Awesome job. What an amazing physical feat. Now, for a bonus clip, this week we have one of our basketball stars, Yota, showing us how it's done with a trick shot.
I hope you really enjoyed this week's Tide episode, which is a choose your own adventure game. Because life is about, well, it's actually an adventure, but life is about making small decisions, practicing to make really important big decisions as you choose your own adventure. Oh, well, you know what? We forgot something. Let's rewind to the beginning to see what happens to Miss Greenberg and Mr. Husain, and do they stay friends? Let's see what happens. Rewind. Now.
Okay, well, all that talk on decisions, I've been thinking, I think I know what to do. I'm gonna be honest, but nice.
You know, I've been thinking, Mr. Husain, I can see you're really upset, and your friendship means so much to me. I really don't want to upset you more. Can we find a way to agree, maybe? Please?
Okay. What if we drop the word super at least?
Yes? Yes! That makes sense! I'm so glad we're still friends. I mean, it's not like we're talking about Pokemons or anything.
What about Pokemon?
That's it. Goodbye. Have a great week.
No way! You know I have the figures. You know I'm collecting them. Come here, get over here.
So, whatever the color is over there.
Okay.
Yeah, that looks really good.
Oh, what are you guys doing?
Oh, I'm making my animation.
I'm helping her with it.
You like Batman, right?
Oh yes, I do.
Whatever you do, do not ask him about Pokemon.
What about Pokemon?
Cut!
What about Pokemon?
Cut.
No,
No.
this isn't no.
Okay,
We cannot do this.
enough. Let's go.
I need to know. What do you mean about Pokemon? What's going on here?